next learning session, ang makakasama natin ay isang special guest na for sure kilala nating lahat. She has mastered the art of turning one-time buyers into mga loyal na suki. Sino dito ang nanonood ng Pinoy Big Brother? Marami sa atin, of course. Our next speaker will share her journey, winning business strategies, and how Rakuten Viber can help sellers build lasting customer relationships. She rose to fame as the first ever big winner ng Pinoy Big Brother back in Season 1. And she turned that victory into a thriving business, Nene Prime Foods. Please welcome Commander Nene herself, Miss Nene Tamayo!
Yay!
Thanks, Nene!
Thank you so much! Ayan na nga, magandang araw Pilipinas! Good morning, good afternoon, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat! Kamusta po kayo? Okay pa? Okay, sana may mga water po kayo dyan at may mga baong snacks para talaga namang ganado tayo sa ating talk today. So, ako po si Commander Nene Tamayo o nakilala po nila bilang Commander Nene sa bahay ni Kuya sa Pinoy Big Brother. I won Pinoy Big Brother in 2005 and ngayon ay meron na akong business na Nene Prime Foods. Ayan. Ayan po. Nene Prime Foods. So I joined Pinoy Big Brother because I want to win the money, the prize, yung capital nila, yung 1 million pesos kasi I want to put up a business talaga. So yun, right after that, nananalo ako doon, nag-put up na talaga ako ng business and then I started cooking na ng bangus in 2010. So ngayon, I'm standing in front of you, not just the Pinoy Big Brother big winner, but also the proud founder of Nene Prime Foods. So I started cooking ng 2010. Meron kaming friend na nag-request kasi mahilig talaga akong kumain ng bangus na Spanish style. So nagustuhan nila, sabi niya, pwede bang magpaluto kami sa'yo para pang Christmas giveaways noong December 2010. Tapos sabi niya, pagka binigay mo sa akin, nilagyan ko ng packaging. Ayan, kung nakita nyo, hindi pa siya nakabote, naka-microwavable pa siya na ceramic container. And pinackage ko siya na sabi niya, lagyan mo ng contact number mo para pag gusto nila mag-order, they can order directly from you. So yun, dineliver namin yung order. And then 2011, since meron ng magandang feedback, may mga nag-order na, I decided to join yung mga online bazaars. We started nag-joining sa NBC 10. First day, sold out. Second day, sold out. And then, ayun, sabi ko, okay to okay yung business ko. At least, kumikita ako dito at nagugustuhan ng mga tao. Noong una, nagpa-free taste pa kami. Nakakatuwa kasi yung staff ko, nagpa-free taste sila sa mga tao. Noong una daw, masungit pa yung itsura. Tapos pag nakatikim, gumaganda yung mukha. Tapos babalik, o-order ng 5 bottles, ng 5 orders, 10 orders. Kaya nasa sold out kami. And then I decided to, noong 2014, na I-officially launch na yung ating Nene Prime Foods. Kaya yan, from bangus, meron na kaming mga other products. Ayan. Kasi talagang mahilig ako kumain ng Spanish style bangus. At mahilig talaga akong kumain ng bangus from Dagupan because the best bangus, alam niyo yan, di ba? Ang best bangus ay nanggagaling sa Dagupan. That's the best talaga. Kahit asin, paminta lang, masarap na talaga siya. So, ayan na, meron kaming bangus in olive oil. Yan talaga yung best seller namin. So yung clients namin na from the bazaar lang before, kapag galing sila ng ibang bansa, they order kasi gusto nilang baunin abroad kasi namimiss nga daw nila yung pagkain Pilipino, which is bangus. Ayan. And then we joined bazaar din. And ayan, meron na kaming tuyo, meron na kaming chilies, and meron na kaming mga giveaways na corporate. And then yun, paano ba talaga mag-start ng thriving business? So you have to know what you want. Ako kasi gusto ko talaga ng food at gusto ko talaga ng bangus. So sabi ko, why not, di ba? Na pagkakitaan yung favorite ko, yung passion ko, mahilig din talaga ako magluto. So from simple packaging, meron na kaming ganyan, nakabote na siya. So what did I do is to hindi lang magkaroon ng capital. Kasi kapag nag-business ka, just don't start with big capital. Hindi lang kailangan ng capital, kundi know what you want at the same time, continue learning then. So when I decided to officially launch Nene Prime Foods, I attended seminar with DTI and CRO. So mga dito, kung gusto nyo mag-start ng business, attend tayo ng mga seminar kasi para alam natin kung paano talaga mag-put up ng thriving or successful business. So nag-start ako ng food safety seminar, nag-attend ako ng food safety seminar so, with DTI and also financial management, and also yung mga branding, and also labeling, importante din kasi tinuturo din doon sa seminar kung paano magtamang label ng iyong product para maging presentable siya sa pagnenegosyo. So yun, know what you want and then never stop learning. And then third, dapat meron tayong communication, effective communication with our customers. Kasi kung may magandang produkto tayo, meron tayong capital, pero kung wala tayong customers, wala din tayong benta. Kaya hindi rin kikita ang negosyo. Kaya importante na meron tayong effective communication with our customers para makabuild tayo ng ating loyal customers. So imagine mo, yung customer ko, yung client ko from 2010, 2025 na ngayon, ay customer ko pa rin hanggang ngayon. Regularly nag-order sila. At dito nga pumapasok si Viber. Ayan, since 2011 talaga, hindi pa din nun kakilala yung Viber nun. Doon talaga ako nakipag-communicate sa aking client. And then 2014, nung nag-officially launch kami, we had resellers na from all over the country. We have resellers from Bicol, may resellers sa Mindanao, sa Visayas, CDO. So yung means of communication namin, hindi lang ng mga customers, and also with our resellers, is through Viber. So with the Viber business account, it's easier for us to communicate. You know what I like about Viber is because it's easier for me to send yung mga products, picture ng products ko, and then for the clients also, may one-on-one chat, they can easily communicate with us, and then for example, si client nagtanong, pwede ko ba makita yung weight? Kasi yung client namin usually galing sa Amerika or galing sa ibang bansa. They wanted to bring sa kamag-anak nila na staying abroad. So gusto nilang malaman specifically yung weight, kung ano yung itsura. So we will send the picture, the specifications through Viber. So yun, makikita nila kung ano yung timbang, kung ano yung itsura, kung paano pinapackage. So it's easier for us. So sa mga gustong mag-start with Viber business account today, so yan, i-download nyo lang yung Viber if you haven't downloaded it yet. And then tap nyo yung i-try nyo yung scan yan, makikita nyo yung aming. Pag ni-scan nyo yung QR, actually working yan. So if you wanna test it, you can scan the QR para makita nyo yung aming. Sobrang easy lang. Kung gusto nyo mag-open ng business account with Viber, just download the Viber app and then tap yung 3 dots dyan sa corner and then start creating your Viber business account, and then you can start now with encoding your business name and then your products. So yun, sobrang easy lang siya, direct to the point, at saka madaling i-manage. Ayan. So yun, yung mga clients namin from 2010, 2011, 2014, we still communicate through Viber talaga. Kasi nga, makikita nyo, na-scan nyo na po ba? Try nyo para makita nyo yung aming products. Yan, you can scan now. So it's Nene Prime Foods. You know why Nene Prime Foods? Siyempre, Nene. Tapos, ang bangus is pambansang isda ng Pilipinas. I'm really proud of our bangus, of our product. And I want you also to proud of what we can do, what product we can make, na hindi lang siya pangbahay, kundi we can also compete with other products din talaga. Kasi makabayan talaga ako. I love Philippines. Mahal ko ang Pilipinas. Diba? Dapat ganon. Mahalin natin ang ating bayang Pilipinas. Gumawa tayo ng produkto na gawa sa Pilipinas at tangkilikin natin ang mga produkto na gawang Pilipinas. So ganon din. Pag may Viber account na kayo, nakapag-put up na kayo ng inyong Viber business account, share it with your friends. I-message nyo, i-PM nyo, yung QR nyo, yung link nyo na meron, oy, friend, kumare, meron na akong business. You can order via Viber, di ba? So yan, ganun pa din. Simple lang siya. Sobrang direct to the point, napakadali. So kung na-scan nyo na yan, makikita nyo yung aming business catalog. What's good with that is magiging professional yung look ng inyong business, and you can build trust and loyalty also sa inyong mga customers. Kasi alam nyo talaga, very important, what I learned sa business talaga, hindi lang kailangan ng magandang capital, ng malaking capital o ng magandang produkto. The best din talaga to be thriving and to have lasting business na mas na successful is to have your effective communications with your customers. So again, effective communication with your customer talaga. So yan, with Viber business account, you can do it. And then meron kayong, alam nyo kasi for example, yung isang client ko since 2010, gusto niya talaga sa Viber kami mag-communicate kasi easier, mas madaling makita yung product, mas madaling makita yung transactions kung na-deliver na ba, on the way na ba. So yan. So sa mga gustong magnegosyo at may negosyo na, open your Viber account now and start opening your Viber business account. Pag na-open nyo na yan, madali lang mag-set up, put your business name, and start uploading your pictures in your catalog and share it with your friends or your target customers. And importante din talaga yung relationship with your customer. Kahit makulit yan, alam nyo sa pagnenegosyo, hindi lang dapat know what you want, hindi lang dapat na may capital, hindi lang dapat na magandang produkto. Patience also with your customers. Also, pag may question sila, that's good with Viber kasi you can reply instantly kung ano man yung mga inquiries nila, what they're requesting. So, yun. That's what I love with Rakuten Viber business account. So, yan. Pwede nyo na lang tingnan yung aming mga produkto and you can order na via Viber. So, let's go and be successful together with Viber. Thank you so much and thank you for hearing my story. I'm really grateful for all of you and sana maging successful tayo today with Viber and forever.
Commander Nene, bago kayo umalis, dito muna tayo sa gitna.
Alright.
So marami na kayong nasagot tungkol sa paggamit ng Viber. Ang galing, no? Kasi marami sa atin ang alam sa online selling, yung mga social media platforms, din sila nag-live selling, pero ikaw kakaiba yung ginawa mo naman. Messaging app yung ginamit mo, Viber. So, ang dami nyo nang nabigay na tips kung paano magsimula, kung paano pagamitin. Ngayon, dun sa mga baka natatakot magsimula. Kasi syempre, Viber, alam natin yan for personal communication. May na-experience na ba kayong ganon na parang rumekta sa inyo na bukod dun sa nag-inquire about the business, medyo may personal tanong na rin, lalo na, you're a celebrity, you're a big winner. So, paano natin ma-avoid yung ganong conversation when using Viber?
Yeah, thank you so much for that question. Sobrang perfect kasi yung question na yan. You know why? Viber business account, you don't have to give your personal number. You just have to download the Viber app and then open a business account and you can just send the link of your business Viber account sa mga clients ninyo. Hindi nyo kailangan ibigay ang personal number nyo. So you don't have to worry with the security or yung mga scammer na yan kasi sobrang secured. I've been using Viber for more than 10 years and never ako na-scam at talagang effective siya. Tsaka yung mga clients ko talaga sa Viber. So yun, huwag kayong